You are listening to New Voice English, the podcast where real English happens. I am Alex, your host, and with me today is Maria.
Hello everyone, I am Maria. Welcome.
Today we learn greetings, how to say hello in English. This is the very first thing you need, and it is the perfect place to start. But first, it is time for the New Voice English Joke of the Week.
A joke about greetings?
A joke about greetings. Two antennas got married. The wedding was not very special, but the reception was excellent.
The reception. After a wedding, there is a party. This party is called a reception. But reception also means the signal on your phone or radio. So the antennas, they receive signals. And the reception was excellent. Two meanings, one word.
Very good. Today we learn greetings. A greeting is how you say hello to someone. In English, there are many greetings. Let us learn them one by one.
The first greeting is hello. Hello. This is the most important word. You can say hello to anyone. A friend, a teacher, a doctor, a stranger. Hello is always correct. Hello is always polite.
Hello. Say it now. Hello.
Hello.
Good. The second greeting is hi. H-I. Hi. Hi is short. Hi is friendly. Hi is a little more casual than hello. You say hi to friends. You say hi to people you know.
Hello is formal. Hi is friendly. Both are good.
The third greeting is hey. Hey is very casual, very relaxed. You say hey only to close friends, not to your boss, not to a doctor, not to a stranger, only close friends.
Hello for everyone. Hi for friends. Hey for close friends only.
Now, good morning. You say good morning from when you wake up until 12 o'clock. Good morning.
Good morning. After 12 o'clock, you say good afternoon. Good afternoon.
And after about 6 o'clock in the evening, good evening. Good evening.
3 times of day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Now, when someone says hello to you, what do you say back? You say the same greeting. If someone says hello, you say hello. If someone says good morning, you say good morning. Or you can say, and how are you? This is very common.
Hello, how are you? This is a very common greeting in English. And the answer is, I am fine, thank you. Or, I am good, thank you. Or just, fine, thanks.
Hello, how are you? I will say hello. You answer.
Ready.
Hello, Maria. How are you?
I am fine, thank you, Alex. And you?
I am very well, thank you.
That is a complete greeting in English. 4 lines. Very simple.
Let us say all the greetings one more time. Hello, hi, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you? With the answer, I am fine, thank you.
Your homework today, say hello to one person in English. Just one. Hello or hi or good morning. One greeting. That is your homework.
Go to the comments on YouTube and write hello in English. We will say hello back to every single person. That is our lesson for today. Thank you for listening to New Voice English.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. New episodes are on YouTube every week. Just search New Voice English on YouTube and click subscribe. It is free, and it helps us make more episodes for you.
Subscribe on YouTube. New episode every week. We will see you there.
I am Maria.
And I am Alex. See you next week on New Voice English. You have been listening to New Voice English. English, real moments, real you. Find us on YouTube. New episodes every week.